Good morning, student. How are you? I think you are all well in this lockdown period. Today, I will teach you from class 6 articles in English grammar. What is articles? The word a, and the are called articles. A and the are called articles. They are used to point out people or things. There are two types of articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles a or an. A and an are called indefinite articles because they do not point out any particular person or things. Now, A is used before singular countable nouns begin with a consonant or consonant sound. Example, a pencil. A university. Here, U means, this pronunciation is U-Y, university. Next, 1 rupee note, a 1 rupee note. These are indefinite articles. Now, once again, pencil, a pencil. University, a university. Rule of using of indefinite articles is an. We use a and an before a singular countable noun to say something about all things of that kind. A man needs friends. A man needs friends. एक मनुष्य को क्या चाहिए? मित्र चाहिए. Here, all men needs friends, so we use a. We use a and an when we speak of a profession. Example, Ram works as a lawyer. Ram works as a lawyer. राम का ये ए लगा यहाँ, या इसका प्रोफेशन है, इसलिए राम वर्क्स a lawyer. We use a and an when the nationalist and the religions. Nationalist means Indian, Catholic religions, Englishman. This we use a or an. Englishman में हम क्या लगाएंगे? An. और Catholic हुआ तो a लगाएंगे. We use a and an in the original numerical sense. Indicates, just say example है, 12 inches make a feet. 12 इंच से 1 फीट बनता है. We use 12 inches makes a feet. Next, definite articles. The is called the definite articles because it points to a particular person or specific things. Where is the pencil I lost you yesterday? Where is the pencil I lent you yesterday? कहाँ गया वो पेंसिल जो हमने कल तुमको दिया था? तो यहाँ पर देखिएगा हम where is the pencil, किसी खास पेंसिल के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ the का यूज किए हैं. Rule of using the definite articles the. When a particular person or things referred to, say I want to buy a the house that you saw yesterday. That we saw yesterday. हमको जो है घर खरीदना है जो हमने कल देखा था. I want to buy the house that we saw yesterday. The man standing ever is my friend. With common nouns that are unique such as the sun, moon, earth. जैसे the earth, the moon, the sun the moon, the earth. With a common noun when it refers to the whole class. The dog is faithful animal. Here the dog stands for all the dogs. Before adjective in the comparative degree, he is the more qualified of the two candidates. Here comparative degree, we use the more qualified. With superlative, Neha is the most intelligent girl of the class. Here the superlative, so we use the. Here superlative most, so we use the. We use the before the names of musical instrument like sitar, guitar, tabla, the tabla. These are the instruments. Monuments, museums. This is a Charminar, the Empire State Building, the Mona Lisa. We use the before newspaper name, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, certain country, just like United States of America, United Kingdom, we use here the, because here states and kingdom are common noun. Some countries name just say Philippines, Netherlands, ये प्लूरल नेम्स है जिसके कारण इसके आगे हम लोग द लगाएंगे. ट्रेन, शिप, एरोप्लेन, कोई भी ट्रेन का नाम जैसे द शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस, द राजधानी एक्सप्रेस, कोई भी शिप हुआ जैसे द टाइटैनिक. रिलीजियस कम्युनिटीज जैसे द मुस्लिम, बुद्धिस्ट, Christian, the Hindus. Any awards, honors, the Padma Bhushan, the Nobel Prize for Peace, titles, just like the Prime Ministers, the Principal, the CEO, Chief Election Commissioner. These we use the. To point and areas of the globe. ग्लोब के किसी एरिया को अगर पॉइंट करेंगे तो उसमें हम द लगाएंगे, जैसे द इक्वेटर, द नॉर्थ पोल, द साउथ पोल, द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, फॉरेस्ट, द सुंदरबन, डेजर्ट्स, द सहारा डेजर्ट्स, गल्फ, द पर्शियन गल्फ. We use the. Now students, omission of articles. Generally we do not use articles before a proper noun. Therefore, no articles used before the names of people, countries and continents, cities and states. We do not use noun. We do not use articles, languages, subject of study, physics, chemistry. We do not use articles, metals, meals, breakfast, dinner. We do not use articles. Diseases, jaundice, cancer, we do not use articles. Material nouns like gold, silver, we do not use articles. That's all students. Watch this video and take care. Goodbye.